Alright, hi guys. So today I'm at Glojas and I'm doing my body contouring treatment today. So right now I'm doing body sculpting and tightening. I come here on a regular basis and I never miss my appointment. I'm very happy with the treatment. Thank you to the doctor for giving me the right treatment outline. I just did my body contouring treatment and yeah, Dr. Shreen here is the one who did my treatment.
Yes. How do you feel, Francisco?
Actually, I feel very good and it's very painless. I was just wondering what is it for, because the treatment that I did was in this area and also other parts of my body and my legs area in particular. So what kind of thing that it will give effect to my body?
Okay, so what we did today, the treatment is a non-invasive body contouring device. So it has ultrasound radio frequency, which causes fat reduction and also tightening at the same time.
Oh, okay.
It's important to drink a lot of water for the healing. Also not to feel too hot during the treatment.
So you won't get too dehydrated as well, right?
That's true. Okay. So we look forward to see you next week for your treatment again.
I'm very looking forward for it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem.